In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record daily POS sales as a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your point-of-sale totals so they land in the right bank account and show up correctly on your financial reports. Start by opening your browser, heading to QuickBooks Online, and signing into your company. If you manage multiple companies, make sure you're in the correct file before moving on. It's also a good idea to glance at the current date, so your deposit reflects the actual day the funds hit the bank. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Create. From the options that appear, find the Other section and choose Bank Deposit. This takes you to the deposit screen, which is designed to record money that goes into your bank, perfect for daily POS totals. At the top, in the Bank Account field, select the account where your POS sales were deposited. This is the bank you actually used that day. You may also see a Deposit To field. Confirm it matches the same bank account so everything stays aligned. Now enter the payment details. In the Received From column, pick the customer or indicate your POS source. In the Payment Method field, choose cash, credit card, or other, based on how the sale was paid. In the memo, you can type something like Daily POS Sales for quick reference later. Clear memos make searches and audits much easier down the line. For the amount, you have two options. You can enter the total sales for the day as a single line if you're summarizing, or you can itemize by payment type, such as one line for cash and another for credit card, if you want more detail in your reports. If you track revenue by products and services, you can also split the deposit across those categories to see which items or departments are driving sales. Choose the level of detail that best matches your reporting needs and how you review performance. Before saving, double-check the date, the bank account, and the totals against your POS summary for the day. When everything looks right, click Save and Close if you're done. If you're entering multiple days in a row, click Save and New to keep going without leaving the screen. That's it. Your daily POS sales are now recorded in QuickBooks Online and will flow to your bank balance and financial reports, helping keep your books clean, consistent, and easy to reconcile.